You're watching Reality Check. We are on the ground and in the air with Tejasvi Yadav as the Rashtriya Janata Dal leader mounts a breakneck campaign in the last days of the Bihar election, clocking a dozen, 13, 14, 15, even 16 rallies a day as he takes on the might of the Modi-led NDA.
पढ़ाई, कमाई, दवाई, सिंचाई, महंगाई। पढ़ाई, कमाई, दवाई, सिंचाई, महंगाई, ये सब मुद्दा है कि नहीं है? लेकिन इस पे कोई नहीं बात करता। एनडीए के प्रधानमंत्री जी हम ही को गरिया रहे हैं, मुख्यमंत्री जी हम ही को गरिया रहे हैं। कहावत है ना, एक बिहारी सबसे भारी।
We are getting a bird's eye view of the Tejasvi Yadav phenomenon, where you can see how he conducts his rallies. These are short 10-15 minute speeches, but they're not even speeches, they're more like a conversation, a back and forth between the leader and this noisy, chaotic crowd. He doesn't say very much, but it all builds up to his big 10 lakh job promise, which is what gets the maximum response from the crowd. और पिछली बार कौन जीता यहाँ से?
मुन्ना मंडल।
कौन से पार्टी का? जेडीयू का। वो इस बार भी लड़ रहे हैं?
जी लड़ रहे हैं।
अच्छा, तो इस बार लेकिन क्या लग रहा है यहाँ, क्या होगा?
इस बार तेजस्वी यादव भी जीतेंगे।
तेजस्वी जीतेंगे?
जी।
हाँ? आप भी कह रहे हैं तेजस्वी
तेजस्वी यादव।
अच्छा, क्यों जीतेंगे तेजस्वी यादव?
युवा की बात करते हैं,
एक एक करके शांत हो जाइए। लेकिन ये कहते हैं कि तेजस्वी मतलब उन्हें कोई अनुभव नहीं है।
अनुभव का क्या अनुभव है?
थोड़ा दूरी
वो युवा नेता है, सर हमको युवा की मांग है, हम युवा बेरोजगारी में अभी।
थोड़ा दूर हो जाइए, कोरोना का भी डर है, थोड़ा दूर रखिए। हाँ, आप कह रहे हैं कि युवा हैं और रोजगारी की बात करते हैं। अच्छा, तो जो ये कहते हैं कि जो भाजपा, जो बाकी उनके जो विरोधी दल हैं, वो ये कहते हैं कि जो सारी भीड़ आती है वो सिर्फ जो तेजस्वी की पार्टी के जो समाज जो जुड़े हुए हैं उन्हीं के लोग हैं। ऐसा नहीं है तो एक सेकंड,
बीजेपी में जाता था।
एक सेकंड।
2014 में वो कौन सा भीड़ था?
अच्छा
2014 में वो कौन सा भीड़ था जो मोदी जी वहाँ जीते थे?
यहाँ पर कौन से समाज के लोग हैं?
हर धर्म के लोग हैं,
हर समाज के लोग हैं।
यहाँ पे आपको जितने भी समुदाय हैं यहाँ पे करीब सभी लोग।
कैसे जैसे बताइए।
जैसे यादव हो गए, मुसलमान, SC, ST, OBC सभी लोग
अच्छा,
ये मोदी जी ने उन्होंने बताया कि ठीक है, ये इन्होंने बताया कि 19 लाख रोजगार देंगे और इनका ये कहना रोजगार और दो अलग अलग चीज होती है।
अच्छा।
इन्होंने बताया कि पहली कैबिनेट की पहली बैठक में हम 10 लाख युवाओं की नौकरी देंगे सरकार से।
थोड़ा दूरी रखिए, अभी भी कोरोना की महामारी चल रही है देश में, थोड़ा दूरी रखिए। ठीक है। अच्छा, कोरोना नहीं है, ठीक है। आप अपना नाम बता सकते हैं?
मेरा नाम सुरेंद्र कुमार यादव है।
सुरेंद्र
मैं
कुमार यादव।
नगर प्रखंड के रहने वाले हूँ, घुरलक पंचायत हुजूर।
आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद रिजाल।
अच्छा, आपका नाम?
सर अमरेश कुमार, मैं एक साइंटिस्ट हूँ सर।
हैं?
एक साइंटिस्ट हूँ, मैं खोज
क्या नाम है आपका?
अमरेश कुमार। मैं एक
अमरेश कुमार।
मैं एक
अच्छा।
वैज्ञानिक।
आपका नाम?
कमलेश यादव।
बात निकल पाते हैं, थोड़ा जगह बना लीजिए, हम भी निकलते हैं। That even before Tejasvi comes, even before Tejasvi arrives, that this is the kind of crowd frenzy that we are witnessing, and this is only going to give you a taste of what it's going to be like once Tejasvi actually gets here. So we are airborne with Tejasvi Yadav as he does this incredible one-man army show across Bihar. Tejasvi, thank you so much for joining us. You're literally like a one-man army. I mean, what? How?
I'm just trying to cover up all the constituencies.
You're doing what, about almost a dozen rallies a
More
day?
than that, actually. More than that.
But tell me, Tejasvi, explain this crowd, because you've not campaigned for the first time. How do you explain this frenzy? Because your rivals say that you disappeared for all these months, you were nowhere to be seen, you were sitting in Delhi during the, the lockdown. So, what is this?
It's obviously they will not talk positive about me. But recently, Prime Minister, he had came, and in the rally he had said that अच्छे पैकेट में अगर अच्छा कुछ मिले, दिखने में अच्छा हो, बोलने में, लेकिन खाने के बाद पछताना पड़े. But he's accepting that everything is good.
No, that may be true, but tell me, you were missing in action, weren't you? It is said that you were in Delhi during the lockdown. Is that true?
See, like me, there were lack of people. They got stuck during the lockdown. Not even you also
Right.
didn't knew that when the lockdown is going to happen. It was all of a sudden. But during the lockdown period, I took permission, I came back. But even in the since the first lockdown,
Yeah.
I was the first one to donate my salary. I was the first one to offer my official bungalow. I was the one who had been coordinating all around with the government to help the laborers
Okay.
with the ration.
So you were saying you were even working in the
Yeah,
lockdown,
we-
but जो आपका jobs का है, when you said the Prime Minister talks of packaging, this 10 lakh job promise you're making, which is getting the most
That's
response.
going to be true. That's going to be true.
But tell me, how is that realistic? How can any government create
Total
10
budget
lakh
of-
jobs?
Total budget of Bihar government is 2,13,000 crore rupees. And there is already 4.5 lakh government job is vacant.
Correct.
5.5 lakh government jobs should be, we have to compete national average.
Look, jobs is one part, but the fact is that your critics, the rivals, are saying you come with a legacy. As the Prime Minister said, you're the Yuvraj of Jungle Raj.
What can I say? People expect Prime Minister to say on a double, on floods, on 46.6% is the बेरोजगारी दर है आपका. People of Bihar, they want to listen कि भाई बाहर क्यों जाते लोग, पलायन क्यों करते बिहार से. नीति आयोग के अध्यक्ष प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं. बिहार हर एक मानक में पीछे क्यों है, चाहे हेल्थ हो या शिक्षा हो.
No, but Yuvraj of Jungle Raj, he is trying to basically evoke the fact that when your father's government was in power for 15 years, Bihar was a lawless state.
But I don't want to comment anything on it. I want to stick on to my agenda, what people of Bihar are demanding for. But
are you?
Prime Minister in the last election, he had said something about Nitish Kumar's DNA also. So what is the result?
No, but are you distancing yourself in that sense from your father and his legacy?
See now.
Because you never bring him up.
He's the mass leader. He's the leader. I'm his son, and people they know. He's the mass leader. No one can compete him. See, but
आप
he's not here now.
उनका नाम नहीं लेते हैं.
See, नाम नहीं लेते. हम तो हर जगह लेते हैं. जरूरी है. बट अभी मुद्दे की बात होगी ना. अभी मुद्दा बिहार में जो है, जो एजेंडा है,
Yes.
what we are going to give them. I have to tell them also in a short time.
But one thing I want to challenge Tejasvi, what you're saying that Bihar की कोई development नहीं हुई, backward है, which you're right. But the fact is that it's not as if your father was not ruling for 15 years. So what about that? I mean, would you accept that then he also is responsible?
That era was of social justice. Now time has changed. Now today is time for economic justice.
That was only social justice.
That era was the first demand. You can only get economic justice by the social justice. You cannot fulfill everyone without doing social justice. So that was the first stage.
But what about the corruption allegations against your father? I mean, he is in jail. That was also a legacy of that time.
See.
He's in jail.
If you're going to fight against BJP, something or another will happen to you also. So this is a sub judice matter. We are in appeal in a high court. So this is not a last judgment.
Nitish Kumar says you're inexperienced, you've not even fully educated.
See, if I was unexperienced, then why he made me a deputy chief minister?
Because
Now
of
to I
pressure,
have experience.
because of pressure of the alliance.
Now to I have an experience of deputy CM also, being in the government, as an opposition leader also. और इतने केस मुकदमे करा दिए, अब तो 50 साल का एक्सपीरियंस हो गया. और let me tell you, Nitish ji doesn't have any experience connecting to the youth. I have an experience of connecting to the youth. I know what they want, but Nitish ji doesn't have any experience about it.
Tejasvi, before we land, tell me, aren't you worried? I mean, there's a risk factor involved when the crowds come forward. No?
There is a risk, but obviously it's a responsibility of the government and administration.
Once I saw the crowds had come right up to your chopper. You tweeted a video also.
We have been complaining also to Election Commission.
You have.
The situation.
Aren't you worried about-
crowded and everyone wants to come and touch my hand and see me.
Aren't you?
Sometimes it's get dangerous also because it's a chopper. It's not a car. People just come and knock it.
समय है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जगह हमको जाना है. अब 4 दिन का, इसके बाद 3 दिन का प्रचार बचेगा. लगभग 70 से ज़्यादा जगह हमको विधानसभा पहुँचना है. यहाँ कितनी संख्या नौजवानों की तरह
So we are now at the second Tejasvi rally that we have come to, and the playbook is the same. Tejasvi has landed, he's on the stage, no time to waste, his speech has straight away started, there are no warm-up speeches. In fact, we are told he has come ahead of time, so the local candidate here has not turned up. He was told the time would be close to 4 o'clock, and we are here about an hour in advance. So he is going ahead with his speech because that's the kind of time schedule that he is working on.
फैसला किया है कि पहला मुख्यमंत्री रहते अगर पहला मेरा कदम चलेगा, पहला मंत्रिमंडल की बैठक में, पहला कैबिनेट की बैठक में एक साथ 10 लाख
There's a group of women here off on the side. This is typical of states like Bihar where the women are completely sequestered. This crowd would please Tejasvi because women voters traditionally have been very strongly supportive of Nitish Kumar. But quite a few have come here. Let's try and talk to them. कैसे लगे Tejasvi? आइए थोड़ा आगे बताइए.
बहुत अच्छा.
अच्छा लग रहा है? थोड़ा इधर आ जाइए. साफ साफ कैमरे में आएगा. क्या अच्छा लग रहा है?
काम वचन सुनने में अच्छा लगता है, भाषण सुनने में अच्छा है, काम देने में अच्छा है.
अच्छा है. आपका नाम?
जलश्री देवी.
अच्छा, तो नीतीश के बारे में क्या सोचती हैं? नीतीश कुमार
नीतीश कुमार तो जो पहले हुआ सो हो गया, अब तो जो होता से ही न सोचेंगे
हैं?
अब जो बिजनेस नौकरी जो बाल बच्चा को होगा वही न सोचेंगे.
अच्छा, वो सोचेंगे. आपको लगता है तेजस्वी देंगे?
बहुत अच्छा
लगता है आपको? आप बताइए. आइए आइए शर्माइए नहीं, बताइए कैसे लगते हैं तेजस्वी यादव? अच्छा लग रहा है. क्यों, क्या अच्छा लगा? लालटेन छाप। अच्छा, आप हमेशा से लालटेन को देते हैं? अच्छा, सब पहले से भी देते हैं? सब लालटेन का परिवार है। ये कहा जाता है कि तेजस्वी आते हैं तो दोबारा गुंडा राज आ जाएगा लालू जी का।
ये सब झूठ बात है, समझे?
अच्छा,
तेजस्वी यादव जी आएंगे और हमारे बिहार की जनता को जो सेवा करेंगे, पक्का
पक्का।
पक्का।
बट लालू जी के वक्त गुंडा राज नहीं हुआ था बिहार में।
नहीं, ये सब नहीं बात है।
कैसे कह सकते हैं इतने?
गुंडा राज नहीं होता सर।
अभी भी गुंडा राज चलता है, नीतीश के राज में भी।
हर एक राज्य में गुंडा
हर एक राज्य में गुंडा राज चलता है।
पहले की घटना अख्तियारपुर राज्य में ही, अख्तियारपुर गांव में रिंकू चौधरी नाम के एक शख्स थे, उनको गोली मारकर हत्या कर दिया गया। कोई नेता इसके पीछे नहीं आया। ये सबको देखना चाहिए सर। कहाँ है गुंडा राज, कहाँ खत्म हुआ? हर एक तेजस्वी का सरकार हो या नीतीश का सरकार हो, दोनों में गुंडा राज रहता है।
जो बोल रहे हैं जो गुंडा राज
तो तेजस्वी, एक सेकंड, तेजस्वी को लेके इतना क्या विश्वास कर रहे हैं आप लोग कि क्या कर देंगे तेजस्वी इतना?
हम लोग जब से युवा हुए हैं सर, कभी गुंडा राज देखा ही नहीं सर। हम लोग सब दिन नीतीश जी का ही राज देखे हैं। नीतीश जी के राज में हम लोग सर 2010 में मैट्रिक पास किया, अभी तक कोई रोजगार की ऑप्शन नहीं मिली सर।
अच्छा, आप कह रहे हैं, एक सेकंड, दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग, some of them are saying that they have not seen any earlier Gunda Raj because they're young. Their experience is coming of age in the Nitish years, and they've seen that, the lawlessness of that period. आप हमेशा से आरजेडी लालटेन के साथ हैं या अब आए हैं?
पहले बीजेपी में थे।
पहले बीजेपी में थे आप?
हर बार, लेकिन इस बार लालटेन को देना है।
अच्छा, यहाँ पे और भी कोई बीजेपी में थे पहले? बीजेपी थे?
इतना नहीं हम बोल सकते।
नहीं सर, सब लालू से।
और भी थे? सब लालू के साथ थे? आप लेकिन बीजेपी के साथ थे? So this is the most challenging part as Tejasvi starts walking towards the chopper. Just look at the crowds, and they are sort of straining at the barricades. The police are trying to protect and prevent them from breaking through. So this is the big challenge over here, and you can see the barricades are starting to collapse because of the crowd frenzy. Just to put it in perspective, Bihar has what, 246 seats, so you've covered virtually 200 of them.
So there have been constituencies where there have been 2 or 3 rallies in one constituency.
IS was 19.
IS was 19 2 days back. In one day, 19 rallies in one day.
19
That record was 16 rallies in a day. I did 17 with a helicopter and 2 rallies by road for the same day.
Your father's record was what?
16.
1-6?
1-6 in a day.
And you've done 1-9, 19.
17 with helicopter and 2 by road in the same particular day. That means total 19.
Tejasvi, this worry that is always there around your family that were you to come to power, it will become Tejasvi, it will become Lalu Parivar Raj.
No, I don't think so. ऐसा नहीं है. People, they just see, when my dad was minister, who was minister during 19 to 2004? My family, any of the siblings were there? No. We were there when time wanted, time needed. Even my elder sister, she could have also joined politics earlier. Why she didn't?
No, but when Lalu ji
Went
stepped
to
aside,
jail.
your mother took over.
That's what
which is-
party people only told us to be to come in politics. Only senior leaders advised.
But what about your
It wasn't
brother?
like that we wanted to. I was playing cricket. Wasn't anything like that.
Your chopper has been one of the big newsmakers in this election. Is this, by the way, the same chopper you use or do you rotate choppers?
No. This is my regular chopper.
What chopper?
This is the chopper I use most of
Dedicated.
the time regularly.
Okay.
But we have a backup thing also.
No, I'm asking because it puts up a lot of miles. So whether, is that safe? Like, do you need to rotate choppers or you use just one chopper?
No. One chopper.
One chopper.
If there is a problem, then we have a backup chopper also.
And people want to know, how do you pay for this? Because choppers are not cheap. How do you pay for so much chopper travel?
Party fund.
Party fund. Party has enough money for so much chopper
एक
use?
रैली करते हैं जिसमें कुर्सी और टेंट नहीं होता, उसका इनकम टैक्स का नोटिस आ जाता है. तो चॉपर में अगर पे कर रहे हो तब तक बचे होते हैं. जो माहौल है आज का, तो ये तो हम तो एक एक पाई का हिसाब हमको देना पड़ता है। हम तो हमेशा स्क्रीनिंग में रहते हैं हमारी पार्टी, बट कुछ लोगों के पास 30 हेलीकॉप्टर उड़ रहे हैं, उनसे कोई सवाल नहीं पूछा जाता है।
You said that in your speech that there are 30 helicopters after you.
नीतीश जी जो हेलीकॉप्टर यूज कर रहे हैं, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ बिहार भी वही यूज कर रहा है। हालांकि
No, but you're saying that.
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में गवर्नमेंट ऑफ बिहार से लीज पे है,
हाँ.
बट यूज वो वही कर रहे हैं। और ये तो थोड़ा सस्ता हेलीकॉप्टर है, उनके तो बहुत बड़े बड़े हैं। दिस इज AW109
Okay.
and what Nitish ji and BJP is using AW139. That is 5 lakh per hour. So you can imagine.
How
30
many
helicopters.
How many lakhs per hour is this helicopter?
This must be around 1 lakh or something.
1 lakh per hour.
मतलब दिन का वो बढ़ता जाता है 1 lakh per hour.
On an average. So on an average, if you're flying, let's say about 6-7 hours a day, so you're still spending 6-7 lakhs a day. That's a lot.
It has to be because इससे ज़्यादा तो इलेक्शन कमीशन का जो गाइडलाइन आया है, टीवी में ऐड दो, उसमें ऐड दो, 3 बार ऐड दो, उसमें ज़्यादा लोगों का लग रहा है।
So in summation, Tejasvi, at this stage, we just have a few days left in this election. You seem confident and relaxed. Is there anything that makes you nervous? Any factor? Whether it's the caste factor, whether it is the crowds Modi ji is getting, is the Modi factor making you nervous? When Modi ji comes,
Is there anything to lose? I have nothing to lose.
you lose power again for the second time.
Not second time, but I'll be more happier that I fought on a good issues, on people's issues. But I'm pretty much sure.
So you're saying
that
even
we
if
are
you
coming in clear majority.
okay, but you're saying
I'm not afraid of anything.
but you're
So
saying
I have age in my hand. I'll try hard. I'll work on more things.
that's an interesting point. You're saying that you have age on your side. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you're what, 32?
31.
You're 31. So you're saying even if you lose this election, you have enough miles on the clock to fight more.
Firstly, this election is going to be surprising everyone.
Okay. But
Secondly, obviously, age is in my hand.
But age is
I'm
in your
31.
factor.
Yes.
all right,
Obviously, I'll come more strong.
Tejasvi Yadav, it's been a pleasure. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you.